Jai Hind. My dear friends, you have been watching a news since last few days that the Hamas terror of that Gaza Patti are in Pak-occupied Kashmir. The ISIs, the Pakistani military, all the terrorist organizations, all the terrorists who are there in Pakistan have welcomed them. Flowers were thrown on them. They were made to deliver speeches and all kind of anti-India propaganda, venom was given in those speeches with this, that these Hamas terrorists now will cross over into Kashmir and play the game of terrorism in Kashmir. A game which they have failed in Gaza Patti. They were beaten in Gaza Patti by the Israelis. So there they can't fight now. So where their training has to be used. So Pakistan, the rogue state, which manufactures terrorists, which trains terrorists, which finances terrorists, which exports terrorists world over, was the first to welcome them in Kashmir, in that their Pak-occupied Kashmir, to use them, to use their terrorist training in Kashmir against Bharat, against India. And our forces are replying every day now. They are sending to the Houthis. Let them enjoy with the Houthis every day. Our forces are shooting them, and rightly so. But here my question comes to two MPs of the parliament, our parliament. One parliamentarian, went with a Palestinian bag, written Palestine on that, in the parliament. Yes, I am talking of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who herself won the election after getting all the support from fanatics in Wayanad. And her brother Rahul had won the election earlier in Wayanad after taking all support from the fanatics or those ex-PFI and all that. Mrs. Vadra, if you are an Indian, if you are a Bharatiya, I would like to know your silence. What is behind it? Your silence behind these Hamas in POK. And not only your silence, the silence of your mother, the silence of your brother, the family parliamentarians, and the silence of your entire Congress party on this. What does it mean? Friends, this is not something new. This party, this family has always supported the Palestinians since 1947. And what have we got? Every time these Palestinians have shouted against India and supported Pakistan, whether it was 65, whether it was 71, whether it was Kargil, and whether it is even now. They sing in favor of Pakistan. They support the Ghazwa-e-Hind. They support the fanaticism. They support the Pakistani. And this Congress family, they claim to be Congress family. They came to be a family of freedom fighters. Are blind to this. They can't see it. They can't listen to it. Their mouths are sealed. Why? Because they want the votes of fanatics. Similarly, Mr. Owaisi, after taking oath in the parliament, you had shouted slogan of Palestine. And you claim you are Indian Muslim, you have nothing to do with Pakistani Muslims and others. So now what do you have to say when Pakistan is welcoming these terrorists to attack Bharat, to attack Kashmir, to do their brutalities in India, which they have done in Gaza, which they did to Israelis on 7th October and celebrated them. No brutalities were done by these Hamas people in Gaza, in Israel on 7th October. No, they had gone for a picnic. They made a picnic there, abducting old women, children, keeping them as hostages. That started Israel's reaction. And today, now when you can't do anything in Gaza, you are finding a route to carry your brutalities in Kashmir, in India. And Mr. Owaisi, why is your mouth sealed on this? These people have the psyche. Billions and billions of dollars which went for the rehabilitation of these Palestinians in the Gaza Patti. Where did that money go? Do you think that money went for their welfare, for their education, for their medical systems? No. That money was spent in making underground tunnels, in storing weapons, in carrying activities. And what was their education system? Even a child of 3 years is given a gun, how to fight out. And the brutes that they have produced with this psyche of are now being shifted and transferred to Pakistan to attack us. None of these who are raising the slogans of Palestine in India. Oh, Rashid Alvi, where are you? Forget this family of three. Sonia, Priyanka and Rahul. Show me the statement of one congressman who has even expressed concern over the presence of Hamas in Pakistan. A good sign has come. For the first time in the joint declaration between India and US, Pakistan has been named as a terrorist state. It's a rogue state which manufactures terrorists, produces them, trains them, finances them, exports them world over to do terror activities. But these power-lusty, vote-hungry politicians of India will not utter a word on this. That Hamas is now knocking at our doors. I have full faith in my armed forces. They give their lives, they sacrifice everything, standing on the borders 24 hours, alert and fighting and shooting them out. These rogues. But our defense forces need at least this moral support from we Indians, that we stand behind them. They give their lives fighting these terrorists at borders. And our parliamentarian goes with the bag of Palestine in parliament. Our parliamentarian shouts slogans in favor of Palestine after taking the oath. They are all these internal enemies. I openly challenge you, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, if you have the guts If you are a nationalist as you claim yourself, then come out and speak on this Hamas presence in Pakistan. Why is your party silent on this? Do you have any answer? Jai Hind.